What's the story, folks? Paul here from Bid for Autos. Today, I'm showing you exactly how I use Copart Select to find clean title cars without needing a dealer license. If you've ever thought Copart was just a salvage, free-for-all, full of wrecks and waterlogged nightmares, this will change your mind. Let's dive in and walk through the actual process I use. First off, head over to copart.com. You'll need to create an account if you haven't already. Don't worry, it's free, it's quick, and they won't ask for your blood type. Once you're in, look at the top bar and click where it says Copart Select. This takes you to the good stuff. Cars with clean titles, often straight from banks, fleet companies, or dealerships. Now, once you're inside Copart Select, you'll notice every listing has a light rating: green, yellow, or red. Let's break that down quickly. Green light means the car is in good shape overall. It starts, it runs, it likely has keys, and you can feel a bit safer bidding on it. Still check the report. But green usually means it's been looked after. Yellow light means caution. Something may be missing, maybe cosmetic issues, minor mechanical faults, or a warning light that's popped up. Then there's red light. And red means danger. That's as is, where is. You're buying it blind. Could be fine, could be a money pit. Now, let's click into a green light listing so I can show you what to look for. At the top, check the AutoGrade. It's usually a number from 1 to 5. The higher the number, the better the condition. A 4 or 5 is often ready to drive. A 2 or under, that's usually why it's cheap. Scroll down and check the condition report. This is where Copart earns its keep. They'll tell you if there's interior wear, scratches, mechanical issues, even if the car has keys or a dead battery. Now don't just skim. Read it properly. Look for notes like starts with a jump or OBD codes detected. That's how you avoid buying a headache with alloy wheels. Let's talk photos. Copart listings are loaded with images. Inside, outside, engine bay, tires, and even under the car. Zoom in. Look for curb rash, mismatched panels, or signs of repainting. If there's damage, it'll be shown, but you've got to be looking for it. Next, check the seller. If it says bank, credit union, or fleet, you're usually good. They're not trying to stitch you up, they just want the car gone. If it says individual or dealer consignment, be extra careful. Some of those cars were traded in because the seller didn't want to pay for repairs. And here's a cheeky tip I've learned the hard way. Check the tires. If there are 4 mismatched brands with bald spots, it means the previous owner didn't spend a penny more than they had to. But if all 4 tires match and have decent tread, that's usually a sign of regular maintenance. Let's say you find a car you like. What's next? Check the auction location, closing time, and current bid. You can place a pre-bid or join the live auction when it starts. It's all online. You don't need to leave the sofa. Once you win, you'll get an invoice and you can pay online. You can pick it up yourself or use a shipper Copart recommends. Now, a heads up, Copart fees do apply. There's a buyer's fee, a gate fee, and sometimes storage if you leave it too long. So don't bid $5,000 thinking that's your total cost. It won't be. I usually allow 10 to 15% on top, just to be safe. Always read the full listing description. Sometimes the starting price looks sweet, but then you realize it's missing keys, or there's a branded title, or some sneaky note buried in fine print. So here's my quick checklist for every Copart Select car. 1. Is it green light? 2. Does it have an AutoGrade above 3.0? 3. Is the seller a fleet, bank, or finance company? 4. Do the tires, panels, and interior match the mileage? And 5. Can I make a profit or save money even after the fees? That's the way I buy, and it served me well. You don't need to be a dealer. You don't need to be a mechanic. You just need to pay attention. And don't fall in love with the car. Fall in love with the numbers. Set your max bid. Stick to it. And don't get caught in a bidding war just for bragging rights. If the car runs and drives and you paid under value, you've already won. Alright folks, and that's the full walkthrough. If you've used Copart before, let me know how it went in the comments. Good or bad, I want to hear it. If you learned something today, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world flipping advice. More videos on auctions, inspection tips, and flipping strategies are on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.